Good morning, everybody. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me yet, I'm just a regular guy trying to make it in the Forex market, and I'm journaling my progress here on YouTube for you guys to be able to follow along. And maybe together we can learn and be successful. I started a FTMO challenge yesterday. Yesterday I took my first trade. The challenge is for $10,000 and it's a swing account. I'm trading on a 15-minute chart, and sometimes I get very long trades, so I wanted to ensure that I don't have to close my trades over the weekend, because those trades, if they go the right way, usually last at least 2 to 3 days, sometimes even longer. And therefore I decided to set on the swing account. Also a quick correction from yesterday. In my video yesterday, obviously I was not very awake at that point. I said it's a beautiful night here in Florida. Obviously it was a beautiful morning. You can tell I was not fully there at that point. Also, as a heads up, since I'm currently in the challenge and the market is open, I have my alert sounds on. So we might hear them in the background here and there. There's nothing I can do. And I might have to take a quick break and come back to you guys if that happens, so I can check the charts. All right, so yesterday I took my first trade. Unfortunately, I got I call it the early abort signal. It does happen occasionally, and in this case, my first trade got that signal. So let me pull up the chart. Here's the chart. You can see my entry on USD CAD here yesterday. And unfortunately here I got the early abort signal and had to close the trade. And you can see it came all the way back to my entry and might even go a little bit lower. So I had to lock in some profit and ended that trade with 0.79 on the account with 0.5% risk. So it was a little bit over 1-to-1. Unfortunately, those things happen, and yeah, I got unlucky with my first trade, I guess. My average risk-reward ratio in my back testing was somewhere between 1-to-4 to 1-to-5. So having to settle for a little bit more than 1-to-1 on the first trade is a little bit frustrating, as you can imagine. But it does happen. It's the market. And I just wait for the next trade. There's always a next trade. Currently, I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting for my next signal. I do have my eye on Euro USD though. Let me just switch over here. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. I apologize. It's very overextended, even on the 4-hour. So I'm hoping to get a signal on Euro USD on a 15-minute chart, because I mean, you never know, but I'm expecting a turnaround at some point. So it would be nice to be able to get a 15-minute entry and then possibly even write it up on the 4-hour chart. It's always nice if you have that confluence and then, you know, get a 15-minute entry and on a 15-minute chart entry, and then be able to write it up on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, also because I closed my first trade, I was able to verify my FX book account. I added it to the video description yesterday, and it will be in the video description here on this video, so you can see the progress on my FX book. It's verified. And I was able to set it public. Unfortunately, you can't do that until it's verified. So I was able to do that finally. Yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for the next trade. And if I get a new opportunity, I will do an update video and keep you guys in the loop. Again, thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, and hope I see you back in my next video. You all have a great day. Bye.